My name is Karen Ludwig. I'm a nurse practitioner at the primary care center that Midcoast has in downtown Brunswick. I'm very active. I hike most days of the week, and the muscles really help to support that knee. But finally it got so it was hard to stand up, and I tried to go up Bald Mountain where we usually go camping up in Rangeley every year, and I got halfway up and I couldn't do it, and I was absolutely shocked. I'd been told for years and years, wait as long as you can because the knee replacements will only last 20 years and you don't want to have two. Then our two new orthopedic surgeons came to Midcoast, and they were speaking at the medical services meeting, and they said, well, that's not true anymore. They'll last a lifetime. Get them when you need them. So I booked in with Dr. Fury, and he looked at my knee and said, yeah, time to go.
Karen is very driven. She does not want to be held back by anything, and she really is young. You know, she has a lot of vibrant years left, and she was just having severe pain in both of her knees that was preventing her from doing a lot of things. She was clearly crippled by these knees.
I went in. He looked at my x-rays and said, which one do you want to do first? And typically at 6 weeks, I talked him into 3 weeks apart. He said, that's going to be really tough. And I said, I am really tough. I can't say enough about the hospital experience. The nurses and the CNAs were outstanding. They were right there. They knew what they were doing, the physical therapist in the hospital. The CNA, Kathleen, just doing loop-de-loops around the hospital. And, you know, you'd go by the nurse's station like, you go, you can do it. And it felt great. And then I got out of there, you know. And just start to finish, everything was just so professional, making me the center of my recovery, so comfortable.
She was very driven post-operatively. She was very motivated to get better and to get back to her work and get back to her activities and get back to hiking and those types of things.
What I wanted to get back to was having my life without pain. I really enjoyed hiking, and going up hills was really hard, but just standing up from a chair really hurt. Wanted to return to Bald Mountain, which had never been a hard hike for me before, and just go right back up like I had. I was afraid that after I told everybody I wouldn't be able to do it, and halfway up I realized it wasn't going to be a problem at all. And so I got all the way up, and it was like it was before. You know, it's hard work, but it wasn't hard to do. It's just like hard working out, and that feels good. And my hiking companion, I was like, am I going really slowly? Because I didn't know. And she's like, I'm having trouble keeping up. So it was good. It was really great.
For the knee patients, I think the patients deserve the vast majority of the credit. It's hard work, you know, rehabbing after these surgeries, and the results sort of speak for that.
I was either going to be this disabled older person before I wanted to be, or I was going to do this. And I have no idea where I'd be today if I hadn't done it. You would have seen me with a big grimace trying to get out of this chair instead of just standing up the way I can now. Yeah, brought my life back.